guys, you mentioned before Anton Chuni. I want to remember Jafar Ghashi. I want to remember Nassim Haladinaj and all of those guys. Do you remember during that time? What were they doing? Did they had divisions, political divisions in the battlefield, or during the battlefield they forgot about the political animosities and they kept fighting with the same enemy?
When people came to me, first thing I said, you leave politics at the door. I don't care about politics. You're here to be a soldier.
Was this your message towards them?
This was my message.
Yep.
You're here to be a soldier. You're one people. But there were politics involved. You could see it. Mm-hmm. I saw it. And I was very naive to it at the time.